So this is the propane. I'm going to put the wrong key in. Oh, yeah. Propane, I'm going to get a closer look. And just a simple lock. Next is the connections. You get your sewer connection. Right here, stows away. You got your water connection. You got your power source and TV cable right there. Simply locks away like that. While we're here, alloy wheels. If you can see the tread, it's about 60%. It's pretty good. Just up here, we got the shower. Just had a look at that a few minutes ago. And of course, got to find the right key. There's the shower, comes out, stretches all the way out. You can put it up here, and you're going to have an outside shower. When you're finished, you can stow it away. Back inside, hot and cold, and stow away when you're finished. Down here we've got storage. If you lift it and you open it, you can clip it on the side. Lots of storage down there. Keep all your spare pipes, spare tools, axe, all kinds, golf clubs, whatever you need. Plenty of stuff. Closes with 1, 2, and it'll also lock with the key. Over here, fuel. Down below, we've got the black and the grey outlet. Connect it once, 1 valve, 2 valve, nice and simple. All the waste is gone. Coming further up, alloy wheels again. Lots of tread on the tyres. And that's this side. We'll go to the other side and do the same again.